asuntoskeittiö Varkauden Evantori 3 in Varkaus.
Built in 2000, age 70594. 6 persons, so 475 kilograms. Yeah. Hey, focus please. No flow indicator.
Yeah.
It is added later.
Yeah.
Varkaus have quite much like this, like elevators.
Building has completely renovated in 2000. It looks like new building.
Yep. Still green lights.
Yeah.
That's, I think, one enough.
No.
It is original still.
Yeah.
The elevator not modernized. There you can see something.
Yeah.
Of these holes. The doors are quite nice.
Yeah.
But they should have later windows.
Spekteet paininspektaat menee pääsemään missiurakuun.
Yay, full memory. Are we going to film the another elevator? The another staircase?
No.
Okay. But I could.
No.
Yes.
Building is locked off.
Yeah, but you can press the butcher.
Yeah. And you can call Buster.
No. There's nobody in the staircase. Opening the doors.
Yeah.
And this is called Safe Line Paska.
Yeah.
So there's a connection for safe line.
Yeah.
Connection.
That's it.